Everyone dreams of making easy money in trading. It looks simple, click a few buttons, and profit rolls in. But here's the truth most people never face. Almost 99% of traders lose money every single month. They don't lose because the market is unfair, they lose because they never learn the real rules of the game. They chase quick wins, ignore their losses, and blame luck when things fall apart. The market isn't your enemy, your choices are. So ask yourself, do you want to keep losing, or finally learn how trading really works? There's one book that completely changed how I saw trading, The Laws of Trading by Adrian Lebron. It's not about fancy charts or secret tricks, it's about understanding the real rules that make traders win. Inside are 10 powerful laws that can reshape how you think about every trade you make. But here's the catch, each law connects to the next. Miss even one, and you'll never see the full picture. Stay till the end. You'll thank yourself later. Every trader's story begins with one thing, a decision. That single choice can build your future or break it apart. Meet Ravi, a new trader who watched the market climb right after he backed out of a trade. He told himself he'd wait for the next one. But when that came, fear stopped him again. The market didn't punish him, his hesitation did. Every mischance, every wrong move, starts with one decision you didn't make. Trading isn't about guessing, it's about choosing with confidence and owning the choice. The market doesn't care about your emotions, it only reacts to your actions. Remember this, in the world of trading, your greatest weapon isn't luck or timing, it's your ability to decide. Most traders lose not because they lack skill, but because they let their mood control their moves. Take Karen, for example. One morning, he saw a tweet claiming a stock would explode soon. Excited, he bought it instantly, and no research, no plan. For a while, it went up, and he felt like a genius. But within hours, the price crashed, and panic took over. Karen didn't trade with logic, he traded with emotion. Trading isn't about chasing what feels right, it's about trusting what you've tested. Every click, every order, should come from a reason, not a reaction. The best traders think like scientists, not gamblers. When you remove emotion and follow logic, the market stops being chaos, it becomes a game you can finally understand. Every trader hopes to find that secret pattern, the one that always wins. Arjun thought he found his when he noticed that certain stocks jumped early in the day. For a few weeks, he made quick profits and felt unstoppable. But soon, his magic stopped working, and he lost everything he'd made. Why? Because what he had wasn't a real edge, it was luck. A true edge is something you can test, measure, and repeat over time. It's built through research, backtesting, and patience, not guesses or gut feelings. Arjun learned the hard way that the market rewards consistency, not luck. If you can't prove your edge with data, it doesn't exist. In trading, your edge isn't just power, it's your protection. Every trader dreams of doubling their money fast, but few think about how fast they could lose it. Nikhil once turned a small account into something big in just a week. Excited, he increased his trade size, thinking he had finally cracked the market. But one bad trade wiped it all out. The problem wasn't his strategy, it was his risk. In trading, risk is like oxygen. Without it, you can't survive long enough to win. Even the best setup can fail if you risk too much. Smart traders don't aim to win every time, they aim to stay alive long enough to win again. In trading, your biggest enemy isn't the market, it's your own emotions. Rohit knew every chart pattern, yet one day, fear made him move his stop-loss lower, hoping the price would bounce back. It didn't. Another time, greed made him double his position right after a win, and he lost it all. Fear, greed, and hope quietly control every trader who doesn't control themselves. The market doesn't care about your feelings, it only reacts to your actions. If you can't manage your emotions, even the best strategy will fail. Master your mind, and the market will follow. Markets are like oceans, they always moving, never the same. Mehul built a system that worked perfectly for months. Every trade felt safe, every profit easy. But when the market changed, his system failed, and his confidence crashed with it. He kept using the same plan, hoping things would go back, but they never did. The truth is, no strategy lasts forever. The traders who survive are the ones who adapt. When the wind shifts, you must adjust your sails, or the market will leave you behind. Every trade is a chance, not a promise. Danish used to believe every setup he picked had to win until he realized even great trades can fail. The best traders think in probabilities, not guarantees. They know losing is part of the game, and winning happens over many trades, not one. Just like a casino, the goal isn't to win every hand day. It's to play smart over time. Once you accept that, trading becomes a game of skill, not stress. Most traders chase a high win rate, thinking more wins mean more profit. Ritesh once won 8 trades in a row, but one bad loss erased them all. That's when he learned the real rule: it's not how often you win, it's how much you win when you're right and how little you lose when you're wrong. The best traders focus on risk-reward, not ego, because in trading, one smart win can outweigh 10 small mistakes. Knowledge means nothing without discipline. Deepak knew every trading rule, but still broke them when emotions took over. One good win made him overconfident, one loss made him reckless. Discipline is what keeps good traders standing when others quit. It's like going to the gym. Results only come when you show up every day, no matter how you feel. In trading, discipline isn't boring. It's your superpower. Without it, even the smartest trader will eventually fall. In the end, trading isn't about charts or markets. It's about you. Ishan once thought success meant finding the perfect strategy, but he later learned the real battle was inside his own mind. The market mirrors who you are. Your patience, your fear, your greed. Every trade reflects your habits and your mindset. The day Ishan started studying himself more than the charts, his results changed forever. Mastering trading starts with mastering yourself. Once you understand your own behavior, the market finally starts to make sense.